Hi, hello.
Hi,
Tell us who you are.
my name is Mona
Mm-hmm.
Merpoy. I've done my treatment here about a month ago. My
Mm-hmm.
mom, my sisters, my dad, my entire family
Mm-hmm.
actually have done it. They're
Great.
so happy with it. I myself have seen great improvements in my posture, my neck pain, my back pain, my shoulders. I used to have flat feet before, but you can see
Look at those
actually there
arches.
is there is an arch. My balance is much better when I'm doing yoga.
Tell me about
And
the feet. So in
the
the past,
feet,
before the treatment.
in the past, I had a lot of pain. I wear a lot of flat shoes and high heels. I couldn't even walk with them. But flat shoes, I always had pain, and I had to like even it would get to points that I had to take Advil for it. But now, it's been a month that I
And
actually haven't.
you think the arches are coming back? They're not as flat.
Yes, absolutely. It's
That's
noticeable
fantastic.
now.
That's
It is
fantastic.
absolutely noticeable
Excellent. It's great
now.
news. And you said you're sleeping better too.
Much better without any medication, without any Advil,
Great.
and I definitely can sleep my 8 hours now before
Fantastic.
waking up during the
Fantastic.
night.
Thank you very much for
Of
coming
course.
and sharing it.
Thank